Hi everyone. Hi, I just want to share with you how you create this chart. So first you have to see which one you're doing to know how many columns, and then you're going to write your heading, and then you're going to insert a table. And let's say if I do fuel, it's 4 columns. So I'm selecting 4 columns, and then I have to copy and paste or write down the titles for each column here. So you would type out the titles, and then you would record for each day. So you can make this chart for each day. So you're inserting a table, and then you're doing it for the next day. Now, if you need to add more rows, you see this arrow right here, and it's kind of touchy, but when you go here and you highlight this, you can right-click and insert a row below. Another way I do it is I just highlight blank rows, Control-C for copy, Control-V for paste. Make sure you make a couple of these tables for each day so that when you're doing that, it's going to be pasted to individual charts for individual days. And that will be very helpful. At the very end, you're going to eventually tally up your totals for each day, and that will be easier than trying to tally up 7 whole days of all of this, all these recordings. But once again, it's insert table. And for Google Docs, I'm not quite sure. Let me see if I can find that here. I believe it is insert table from Google Docs in this way. So hopefully that's helped you to make the chart for this assignment, and let's see how well you do on it. Have a wonderful day.